Hi dear imaginary viewer, my name is Hadi Sultani and I am recording this video because I have been asked for. Okay, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to create a table of tables and how to create a table of figures, create some citations, and finally how to insert a bibliography into your Microsoft Word document. So for the sake of demonstration, I have a Microsoft Word document here and I have some random generated texts, and I have divided this document into 4 sections, each section for a chapter. So here I have also downloaded some images from Google Images, some images of flowers just for the sake of demonstration, and I have some empty tables. So I expect you to have a document and you have properly divided this document into different sections. So enough talking, let's start and create some captions for these figures and tables. Okay, this is the first figure I have in this document. So how to create a caption for this, we go to the references and then from here we can insert a caption. Okay, for the caption name you can have this is a table, no, this is sorry, this is a label. You can select figure. So position, you can position it below the selected item or above. So for the figures I'm going to insert the captions below the images, and for the tables I'm going to insert the caption above the table. So in the numbering section you can go and then you can check these check mark if you want to include the chapter number, and if you have properly given headings to the text of your document, then it will work fine. Otherwise you may find some different numbers in the caption name. So for the separator you can use hyphen, period, colon, or there are a bunch of other characters here, but I'm going to use a period. Okay, and then below for this I'm going to have give a name. It is a flower 1 for example. Okay, press OK, then it just comes below the figure. Okay, so this is a table. Okay, I select the table, right click, and then I can insert a caption. Okay, there is another way. So this is not a figure, this is a table. For the name of this table I'm going to name it table 1. For the numbering, again I'm gonna include the chapter number. So this is the first chapter and this is the first table, so it will be labeled as table 1.1. So I'm gonna press OK, and by pressing Ctrl E it will be centered. So scrolling into the document, I find the second table, right click, insert a caption. You can go to the references and insert caption from here, or you can right click on the table and insert caption from there. There is no difference. Okay, this is the table 2.1. This is the table 1, the first table in the second chapter. In the numbering, again you have all of these things, and then above I'm gonna position this caption above the selected item, and I'm gonna go to label it, for example, table 2, and then I hit the enter key or press on the OK button. I again pressed Ctrl E to center. Okay, then here I have another table, right click and insert caption. This is the second table in the second chapter. I'm going to position it above, so table 3 for example. Okay, Ctrl E. Okay, then there is the second figure we have, and you notice that it is in the chapter 3. So I right click on the figure and I insert caption, or you can insert the caption from here. There is no difference, I mentioned. So this is we select the label figure, and this is the first figure in the chapter 3, so I name it flower 2, and I'm going to position it below the selected item, so I press OK. Sorry, there is a misspelling here. I add R. Okay, this is another table that we have. Insert caption table. This is a table, so this is table 4, I think. Press OK, press Ctrl E, and then scrolling down we find another table here. Again, I insert caption, and then this is table 5. So above the selected item is the position, so I press OK. Then by pressing Ctrl E, I center the caption. Okay, there is another figure. Right click and then insert caption. Okay, this is not a table, this is a label, so flower 3, I think it is the flower 3. Okay, then scrolling down, I have another figure, insert caption, and this is the flower 4. So okay, it's all done, and I have labeled all the tables and figures I had in my document. So I go to the first page, or okay, then from here insert a table of figures from the references pane. Okay, from here you can choose whether the caption label is figure or equation or table. So I'm going to insert a table of tables, so I select the caption label table, and I just hit the OK button. So these are 5 tables that we have in our document. One is in page 3, then page 6, page 7, 10, and 12. After that, I'm gonna insert a table of figures. So again, I press insert table of figures, and from the caption label I select figures, press OK. Then these are 4 figures that I have labeled in the document, and you see the page numbers at the right. So I want to keep this video as much simple as possible, so there are lots of other options in the insert table of figures and captions, but I'm not gonna go through them. So let's now make some citations. Okay, suppose that the second paragraph in the chapter 1 should be referenced to some external source. So from here we can insert a citation, but be careful to select the style of your citation before inserting. So I gonna choose IEEE. From this there are a bunch of other styles, and API, Chicago. There are some famous and well-known citations, but here I'm going to insert citation with the style of IEEE. So insert citation, you can add new source, or if you don't have enough information for this citation right now, you can just add a placeholder, and later on you can give the required information for these citations. So I have all the required information, so I add a new source. Then from here it will be selected book by default, but you can select website or some other sources that you see here. So I type of source, I select website. So this is a corporate author, for example Wikipedia, and you can fill this form, but all of them are not required. Okay, just for I fill some of them. For example, some random numbers. I have accessed this website at this date, and this is the URL. You can type the URL here, or you can just copy and paste the URL from your internet browser. Just press the OK button. So this is the first citation in my document. For example, I'm going to make another citation here. Create citation, add new source. For example, this is from MSDN, Microsoft Developer Network. So 14, 10, and this is 11, and this are just some random numbers. msdn.microsoft.com, and press OK. So this is the second citation, and I insert another citation here, add new source, example 2014, for example 12, and it's also 12. For here I can type http://www.example.com. I press the OK button. So enough. You can go forward like this if you need to insert some more citations into your document, but I think 3 citations are enough for this demonstration video. So I go at the end of my document, and again from the page layout I insert a page section break here, double click on the header and uncheck this link to previous. You can give a references header to this section, close headers and footer. From here you can again go to the references and insert a bibliography. You can choose any built-in bibliography, references, or works cited, or you can insert a bibliography and make your own style. Then I'm going to this, select this one, chapter 5 references. Okay, I delete the chapter 5, and these are all the references that I have used into my document. The first one is Wikipedia online, available at this website, and it is accessed at this date. So I have created 3, but here you see that there are 4, because I have created one of them before I start recording of this video. Okay, these were all things that I said at the beginning of the video that I'm gonna show you. Thanks for watching,